Hello, long time no vlog. We're back in the city and we just checked in sa aming Airbnb. Hindi po ako nakapag-vlog ng 3 weeks because it was really hectic. Palagi kaming nagbabiyahe, nagpapack, nag-unpack, so it was really busy. And we're with Anna, of course. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung aming Airbnb dito. So yung door mismo, tapos yan yung kanyang kitchen, may rice cooker tayo. The room smells really nice, so bago lang naglinis, tapos may microwave tayo dito. The last Airbnb we had didn't have microwave, so better place. Ito yung kanilang bathroom. Ayan, may washing machine pala. Sabi wala, meron. Papa! We have washing machine. Kite.
High five. They know what to do today.
Tapos yun yung kanilang shop. May mga sign of use, of course, kasi nga Airbnb yan, matagal ko dito. But it's good enough for us. Tapos may washing machine pa, diba? Let's see sa kanilang cupboard. Ayan yung mga gamit. Ayan. Mga gamit pang luto. I think we're just gonna use the rice cooker.
Yeah, shall I do it?
Kasi 2 days lang kami dito.
I'm the king of the rice cooker. Especially here.
Ayan, I like that it's very open and may couch na siya dito kasi last time walang couch. So
It's not too busy with
pretty
things.
much, you know, yeah, it's minimalist, so I
Yeah.
like it. I prefer it this way. I can hang something here, wow, here, and yeah, see, if I do the laundry. And high five, she has a vacuum cleaner. And yeah, I like this place. Ayan yung aming room o may division dito na ganito. Yan yung aming kwarto. Dito yung TV. Nakapwesto na si Madam dyan. Closet dito. Oh, she has iron, Papa. I can iron.
Ah, I think she's not Filipino one.
Ah, she's...
She does have a boom.
And...
She does have the Filipino boom.
Hala, somebody left the iPhone.
Yeah, so not yours.
Nee, see pa mine.
Oh no, you film of course.
Yeah. Yan yung easy na. And wala kaming balcony but good enough because may bata tayong dala. So yan yung ating view. Dito kami nag-check-in dito kami nag-stay ng mga 4 months before ni Ruth. Before I gave birth to Anna, dito kami until mga 2 months, almost 2 months old siya, dito kami. This place is quite memorable para sa amin.
Nou even mijn kant aan. Ik ga op elkaar. Dank je. Ja. Toch. Ja.
Yeah.
Maar het knopje naar beneden. Ja. naar dinosaur toe.
Doe maar dinosaur. Anna, doe maar dinosaur pakken.
Kijk, jongen doet ook knuffelen.
Ja,
Papa meegaan? Mama mee?
Ga maar.
Kom maar, mama en papa gaan mee. Kijk eens. Kijk eens, de jongen doet foto met dinosaur.
The next day.
Hello, good morning sa inyong lahat. Welcome to another vlog. Ano na po ngayon? September 29 and Ruth is gonna leave today. So he's flying out sa Cebu. Punta po siyang Manila and tomorrow he's gonna fly to back to the Netherlands, and hindi po kami kasama ni Ana. Dito po muna kami ni Ana. So, naka-move na po kami sa previous vlog. Nakita nyo yung video ng Airbnb namin dito. And I mentioned that we were gonna transfer to another unit. And here it is. And so far, ito yung pinaka-paborito ko na try namin dito na Airbnb. Same building. So, ipakita ko lang sa inyo, no? Yan yung door. Pasensya niyo yung kalat namin. Yan. Okay na yung luggage ni Ruth na ayos ko na kagabi. And this one, amin to ni Ana. And this one, I'll bring back to the countryside. And this one too, mga nabili namin dito sa city. And yes, may mga gamit sila dito. Ganito. So, it's very comfortable. Yun yung gusto ko sa mga Airbnb ba. So, let's check the bathroom. Yan, itatapon ko pa yung yun. Ito yung pinaka-plus dito. May siya, may washing machine and may spin na po ito. So, yan. Okay lang. And this, may heater na dito siya. Ayan. By the way, flex ko lang itong 10 pesos na nabili ko sa ukay-ukay kahapon. Let's go back sa sa labas. So, yan. Yan yung pinaka-living area nila. Yan. Dining table. Ayan, yung couch. Nalinis-linis ko na dito. Ayan, yung TV, it's good with Netflix and YouTube. Malakas yung Wi-Fi. This is our room. May weighing scale pa dyan, which is very useful kasi yung weighing scale ko, hindi pwede sa yung hook, hindi pwede sa luggage ni Ruth. So, yan. And then, maraming hangers, which is very, very good for me because naglo-laundry ako. And, ito yung view natin. Yan, may dito para pag-dry ng clothes pa. May drying rack siya dyan. Table. And that's SLC side over there. Yeah. We are in Banawa area. Guadalupe po siya sa Cebu City. So, ito po siya, south na part ng Cebu City. So far, we've tried, ito yung 5th unit na na-try namin sa building na to, and so far, this is the most, this is the one that I can highly recommend dito. Message lang ako. Kasi nga, parang hindi, nabasa ko sa guidelines dito, actually, bawal siya mag-video, but hindi ko lang sinabi kung kung anong building na lang. Anyways, we're all packed. Ana and Ruth just went out to buy pandesal. We've been having pandesal since na balik kami dito sa city. Every day pumupunta si Ruth tsaka si Ana doon sa San Jose Bake Shop. San Jose ba yun? So, nagpapandesal po kami. And sobrang bilis lang. 4 weeks na si Ruth dito and he's flying back to the Netherlands bukas. So, okay na po, na ayos ko na lahat. Yung passport niya, yung lahat mga gamit niya, yung bookings niya, na-check-in ko na, yung lahat ng flights niya, na-check-in na. Tapos yung e-travel, ganun. So, yung mga requirements, yung mga kailangan before siya mag-depart ng Philippines. Mainly, he'll be staying in Manila for a night. Actually, yung bino ko is 2 nights because ayoko namang maghintay siya kasi gabi, late at night pa yung flight niya. Tapos yung check-out is, I think, 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. So, parang may gap siya ba. So, yun. Nag-book na lang ako ng 2 nights para at least maka-chill siya ba doon sa hotel while waiting for his flight. So, yun. yeah, so far it's been a really nice vacation para sa amin dito. But mainly, andito kami sa city kasi nga mas convenient para sa amin because we can go to play areas, indoor play areas, and then take turns kami ni Rot na bumili ng mga gusto namin, ganun. So, okay lang siya talaga dito sa city. Anyway, Ana and I still have few weeks to spend time with my family. So, uwi na kami ng probinsya. Also today, hindi na namin ihahatid si Ruth sa probinsya. Sa airport. Kasi nga, yung airport medyo malayo na. Tapos, pag ihatid pa namin siya, babalik na naman kami doon sa bus terminal. So, napagkasunduan namin na we'll just leave together but then idadrop na lang kami sa North Bus Terminal. So, yun. And, maputa pa tayo for today's video. Yan. And medyo eyebags pa tayo ng bongga kasi wala akong masyadong tulog. Kasi nga, ganyan talaga ako pag may mga travel. Lalo pat may family tayong dala. So, alam nyo naman, tayo lahat yung usually I don't know with sa other families, but in our case, ako palagi yung prepare ng mga gamit namin, nagpapack, nag-unpack, making sure everything is all packed and all that, and yung mga kailangan, walang maiwan, ganun ba. So, busy, hectic talaga yung buhay, guys. Hectic. But yeah, tomorrow is fiesta doon sa amin sa probinsya. I think Ruth and Anna are back. Narinig ko na yung elevator. But yeah, si Anna ay super enjoy siya so far. Aliw na aliw siya. Tapos maraming bumabati sa kanya, maraming gustong, actually may mga nagpapapicture kay Anna, hinahayaan lang namin. And yeah, sobrang happy naman siya dito. Napaka friendly na mga tao. Oh, they're here. Thank you, Belle. Super. How many did you get?
Only want to order one. She had one. I said, nee, she only wants to order for herself.
Masarap yung pandesal nila. How much is their pandesal now, Dudong?
6 a piece. Or 5 for 30. So.
How much did you gain in Cebu? Yeah, okay, yeah, you eat lang. How much did you gain?
Maybe 1/2 kilo, maybe.
Yeah, I did 2 kilos.
Yeah.
I did gain. What will I do with that? I already cleaned here, huh? No. Malaki yung pandesal, eh.
It's een grote.
Ja, maar niet grote.
Ik kan
That's the self does that.
ik kan het pakken.
Okay. Are you having fun in the city?
Papa wil je ook?
Anna, are you ready to go to mommy and daddy?
Mama, wil je ook?
Nee, dank je. Straks wel. Anna, are you excited to see mommy and daddy again? No? And are you excited to go without Papa?
Papa gaat naar huis toe. Zo goed?
Papa's going back to the Netherlands.
Ja, we gaan terug naar Nederland.
Iwan na kami ni Papa. Iwan na muna kami ni Ruth. Hi! This is so cute, Scott. You're so cute. Yo, Papa's gonna go back home.
Ja,
Toch?
back home? Ja, tomorrow, hè?
Tomorrow. Will you miss Papa? Will you miss Papa?
Ik kan oma bij je.
You want to call Oma? Well, Oma is aan het slapen. Nog aan het slapen. Gusto niyang tawagan yung Oma niya, yung lola niya doon sa Netherlands. Pero tutulog pa ngayon, maaga pa. So anyways, magbabiyahe na po kami. Alis na po kami. Mag-breakfast lang kami ng siguro mga 10 minutes and then we're gonna go na. Time to go! Hamaan na. Duy! Papa, duy! Bye! We're going na. On the way to the terminal now. And si Ruth sa airport.
Temple of Leia, looks the same. Anna gaat daar met de bus mee. Ja, die gaat heel snel. Kijk Anna, die gaat snel. 5 snel. Ja.
Ito na yung terminal. his way to the airport. So kami na lang dalawa niya. Kira ka? Are you okay? Wala pa masyadong pasahero pag dito. Busy na.
A few moments later.
Hello! Kanina pa po kami dito sa dumating sa probinsya. Yan o. Yung pamangkin ko. Hi! Si Harriet, si Athena. Ana is there. Naka-short. Walang short. Ito na si Ana. Nag-enjoy siya dito kasi nandito yung mga pinsan niya. Sky is here. Sky! Say hi, Sky! Sky, say hi!
Damihan ni sagos gusto.
Katawa ko na. Ay, sugon ako si Ruth. Ito, palit ang inana ba? Ikaw palit og sibuyas nga. Ako ang dahonan. Ang idadalan ko sa kasakong sibuyas. Hi! We're gonna sleep now. Yun naman po yung pa-vlog natin for today. And I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. See you na naman sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat. Mush babus. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night.